This is on Canvas, so you should be able to print one off for yourself, okay? If you can't, let me know, I'll print you one. I can do that. But you should be able to print this for yourself. If you don't have a printer at home, go to the library or one of the computer labs and print that off. And use this to get your speech ready. This is what you'll do for your rough draft, is just fill in the blanks. That's all you have to do. Now notice that I have a certain way here, but you can switch these up, cross it out and say it's another thing. That's fine, as long as all four things happen, all right? We haven't talked about transitions yet, but we will. The body of the speech is where you make your main points. Roman numeral 3 is indicative of the first main point because we use our other Roman numerals up here, right? Okay, get your head around that. It's confusing. And then your first main point goes here. You know, if you need supporting points and sub points, you don't have to fill in every blank. Okay, if you don't have information for every single blank, that's okay. You don't have to fill in every blank. If you have more information, you can add blanks. You can reformat this to suit you. That's okay. Remember, there are no hard and fast rules except for the stuff like the introduction and conclusion. The body is flexible. Second main point is going to be Roman numeral 4. If you, same thing, A, B, 1, 2, use what you need. If you don't need it, don't use it. It's all good. Third main point would be B. If you have a third main point, that's Roman numeral 5. If you have a fourth main point, it's going to be indicated by Roman numeral 6, but you don't have to. You just have to have 2. If you only have to have 2, why do I have 5 places where you can put main points? Because you can have up to 5. So I gave you 5 places, but you don't have to fill in every space, all right? Just what you need. I always have somebody, though, who asks me later, I just didn't have enough for a 5th main point. What do I do? You don't use one. Use what you have. Don't manufacture something just to fill in the blanks, all right? They're just here if you want them, if you need them. Then a transition, then your conclusion, which we'll talk about in a minute. So the body of the speech needs to be constructed with the right main points and capital letters and Arabic numerals, you know. So construct it the way it's seen here, but you're not required to use every single space in the body of the speech. Those are just there for you if you need them while you're planning your speech, while you're planning your outline. So don't get hung up on using every space. Yes, you need to use every space in the introduction. Yes, you need to use every space in the conclusion. But in the body, it's really flexible. Use what you need, but use it in this structure with this visual pattern with the Roman numerals and the capital letters and the Arabic numerals, right? Okay.